Hello students, good morning. How are you? I am your geography teacher from Town Hall Educational Society. So today we are going to solve our concept sheet of class 6 and the topic is representation of geographical feature. You can see here we have 4 questions and now we are going to solve it. The first question is related with your directions. We study it in our first chapter. We know very well we have 4 types of direction. The main 4 type of direction. The first one is your north, 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 south, east, 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 and west, WEST. We have 4 main directions, that is your north, south, east, and west. Now here write full names of 4 main direction, that is your north, east, west, and south. Now we are going on the second step, that is your write full form of 4 intermediate direction. Here it is saying full form of 4 intermediate direction. So you can see here, we know very well intermediate directions are your south west, south east, north east, and north west. So we have 4 intermediate direction and you have to write the full form of these intermediate direction. The full form of these are, the first one is your north east, EAST, northeast. The second one is your southeast, southeast. The third one is your northwest, NORTH, north, WEST, west, northwest. And the fourth one is your south, SOUTH, south west. So this is your answer. Now you can see here, this is the solution. Here the main 4 directions given, north, south, east, and west, and 4 intermediate direction is your northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Now the second part B, here you can see here, you read it in anticline mode and syncline mode. You read it in a diagram also. So the B part here, the P is represent here anticline, ANTICLINE, anticline. Anticline is the it is the elevation part of your mountain. You can say that the upfolded rock, like this one, the upfolded rock is your anticline, and the syncline, this part, the downward part, downfolded rock, that is your syncline, SYNCLINE, syncline. So this is your answer here. The P is representing anticline and Q representing here syncline. Now we are coming on C. So the C is your matches. Here you can match it. River joins sea at, we know very well कि rivers जब some oceans को join कर लेते हैं, then that will be your mouth, here. And the endogenic force is your force कहाँ से लगता है ये आपके अर्थ के इंटीरियर पार्ट्स में आपका एंडोजेनिक फोर्स लगता है. एंड द ओरिजिन ऑफ रिवर इज योर सोर्स और इज कॉल्ड सोर्स. आपका रिवर्स कहाँ से ओरिजिन होते हैं? फ्रॉम द ग्लेशियर, फ्रॉम द माउंटेन्स, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड योर सोर्स. Tributary, what is tributary? I told you, a stream or a small river which join at flow into a large river, it is called tributary, and this is your tributary, a small river joining main river. And the last one is your black forest. We know very well black forest have flat tops and steep slopes. So this we solve it now. Now coming on the fourth here. The fourth is draw conventional symbols for forest, river, well, bridge, footpath and temple. Now I am going to show you the solution here. You can see here this is your forest. Here this picture is representing here your forest. It will be in a green color. This picture, this conventional sign is used in your map, it is used in your topo sheet. So green, this picture it will be in green color. River, this picture is representing river like this in this wave form, it is representing river. What well is the sign of well is like round circle and cover it with blue color. The round circle it cover with a ब्लू कलर. ये चारों तरफ से ब्लू कलर से सर्कल आपका भरा हुआ होगा, फिल्ड होगा. दैट इज योर वेल. नाउ व्हाट इज ब्रिज? द सिंबल ऑफ योर ब्रिज इज दिस, लाइक दिस. This symbol is representing your bridge. And the footpath, the dotted line you can say this, it will be your dotted line. And the temple is representing like this. I am going to draw it now. It will be the bridge, footpath and temple. It will be in a red color. It will be showing your settlement and footpath या car track. The temple it will be like this. You can see here, this is your flag. So this picture is representing your temple. Now we solve it and you learn it, understand it and see the videos again and again. Thank you so much.